Welcome to this short training video from Materialise OrthoView, where we will cover the options for importing your images into the software. When Materialise OrthoView is loaded as a separate application using either a desktop icon or browser URL, there are three main methods of importing images into the software. Note, if OrthoView is open directly from your PACS viewer, you should consult with your PACS manager or IT support manager regarding how to launch the software from your PACS. For most people, launching Materialise OrthoView as a separate application, images will be imported using the Query PACS function. This allows you to directly search and import images from your PACS database. Images can also be imported from a Dicom Cd and any local or network folder. Images to be imported can either be Dicom files, JPEG, or bitmap files. Using the Query PACS option, you can directly search the PACS database. On selecting this option, you will first see the search screen in which a number of different parameters can be entered. These include patient name, patient ID, date of birth, and study date range. Once the required information has been entered, selecting the Query button at the bottom of the screen will allow the software to search the database and present a list of images that match the parameters. There are two options for retrieving the images returned by the search. Retrieve All will download all the images returned by the search. This should only be used if the list exactly matches the images that are required. To download specific images, click the plus symbol next to the study ID. You will then see the individual series and images that are part of that study, allowing one or more image from the study to be selected for download. Once the required images have been selected, use the Retrieve Selected option to download just those images. Once the images have been downloaded, you can either continue to search for more images or close the dialog box. To import images from a Dicom CD, first insert the CD into the drive, then click the Dicom Cd button. If prompted, select the appropriate drive letter followed by Next. Materialise OrthoView will display a list of the studies on the CD. Use the Select All, Clear Selection and individual tick boxes to select the required studies, then click Next to import. Finally, you can also click the Folder button to browse any local or network folders and import images from there. Once studies have been imported, they will be displayed on the examination list. Selecting a study on the examination list will display more patient details at the bottom of the screen. To open a study, either select Open at the top left or double-click the required study. For additional hints and tips relating to every stage of the planning process, use the Smart Help tab located on the right-hand side of the screen when using the software.